You don't need fixing. Traditional rehab for pain and injuries is often about people like me telling you about all the things that need fixing, all these dysfunctions that you have, and we have to change them before you can recover and start doing the things that you love. Essentially, you go to a physio and you're pretty much told about how much you suck as a human. We're taught to find these problems, so-called, and then we offer a fix to those problems, and then the assumption is you have less pain. You'll hear you have like faulty movement patterns, poor posture, tight muscles, muscle restrictions, dysfunctional fascia, and a lot of other things that I can't even repeat without wanting to punch myself in the face. Or maybe you've been told you have a bunch of structural issues like a disc herniation, a tendinopathy, a torn rotator cuff, degenerative joint disease, your knees are wearing away. Or you might even have a more enlightened therapist who talks about biopsychosocial factors like rumination and catastrophizing, or you have a history of trauma, depression, fear, or anxiety. And sometimes some of these things do contribute to the pain problem, and it is worth trying to address them. But I'm gonna argue that many of these things don't have to change, and there's nothing about you that actually needs fixing. Right? You don't have these certain problems that are causing all of your pain. So the cup analogy for pain helps us understand this. With this very simplistic model, we can suggest that you have pain when all the stressors in your life, fill the cup, and once the cup overflows, that's when pain occurs. So joint changes, doing too much too soon, doing too little, too much stress, worry, fear, any number of things could be in your cup. And we have pain when we can't cope or tolerate these stressors. Recovery can be about decreasing what's in the cup, but also really about building a bigger cup. And that's the point of these videos, about not fixing things, but building something up about you that helps you tolerate what's going on inside the cup. So in this series of videos, we're gonna focus on two big areas. One is just debunking. What are the things we don't have to worry about? What are the things we are commonly told every day that cause your pain? And when we look at the science, it kind of says, nah, who cares? Forget about that stuff, move on. I'm not hearing it. The other area that we want to focus on is building a bigger cup, or developing recovery strategies that help you cope and help you tolerate all of the potential contributors to your pain. So see you in the next video. That one's called You Don't Need Fixin' Before You Start Doing.